Welcome back to the English cue cards. Today's sentence is, I would not like to do a job that involves standing outside in the hot sun all day. Let's say it slowly and understand it part by part. Repeat after me. I would not like. This means I don't want. It's a polite way to say it. Repeat. I would not like. To do a job, this means to work. A job is something we do to earn money. Repeat. To do a job. That involves. Involves means includes. We're talking about the kind of work it is. Repeat. That involves. Standing outside. This means being on your feet, not sitting, and being outdoors. Repeat. Standing outside. In the hot sun. This means under very strong sunlight. Repeat. In the hot sun. All day. This means from morning to night, a long time. Repeat. All day. Excellent. Now let's say the full sentence slowly. I would not like to do a job that involves standing outside in the hot sun all day. One more time. I would not like to do a job that involves standing outside in the hot sun all day. Great job! You practiced slow English, clear speaking, and learned a useful sentence about work. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the English cue cards for more easy English every week. See you in the next episode. Bye!